Dear students, in the previous class, we were doing the poem COVID 19. So, students, let's have a brief recap of the previous class. So, in the previous class, we have seen that the year 2020 has brought a virus into our lives, that is COVID 19. So, it has also invaded our world and turned our world up and down. However, we will not surrender to it. We will be relentless in combating with this monstrous virus. So, together we shall see a new life, we shall see a new day, we shall see a new dawn. This poem celebrates our courage of saying that never die. That means we should never say die. The attitude that we have, and we should fight against this deadly virus. So today we will continue with the poem. So have a look at the first stanza of the poem. While our world was sleeping, a monster dared invade. And though we must be careful, we must stay unafraid. So here in the first stanza it say that we were sleeping. That does not mean that everybody were not working and sleeping. That means we were innocent. We were in a sleep that like a dream. This COVID-19 like a monster. It enter in our country and enter in our life. And though for this we must be very much careful. We must stay unafraid. We must not lose our hope. Though we may get this virus, but we should not afraid. We should overcome. We should be strong. And we should give strength to one another. We should encourage one another. We should never say die. We should keep the attitude of living a beautiful life. Next danger, we stay at home adhering to every single rule. Our living rooms and office, my bedroom is my school. So here adhering to means following. Okay, so here they say that we were following the every single rule that was made for our country, that was made for our good. So we were following the rules, each and every single rules. And as you know, our living rooms became our office because now we have to do work from home. Every offices, every government offices, every private offices give us opportunity to work from home. So like now our bedroom become our school. Yes, so now our classroom. So here our living rooms and office and my bedroom. The poet is saying that the bedroom of his or her is school, like same as you. Yes or no? So sometime your bedroom become your classroom, your living room become your classroom, same that way. So here it's saying that due to this virus, all the people are working from home. Those who are working in an office, they have to work from his or her living room and imagine as an office room. And for the students, their bedroom become their school, their classroom. So next, third stanza, have a look. Our world is fighting valiantly this monster with a crown, and in our brand new normal, our world will not back down. So here saying that our world is fighting valiantly means with courage and determination. Okay, our world, the people, those who are suffering in our country, they all are fighting with the virus. They are fighting with courage and with determinations. They are not giving up with this monster. Monster with a crown means here carnivorous, which is crown like spikes. Carnivorous animals, carnivorous, which has crown like spikes. So here This world, our world is fighting with courage and determinations with this monster virus. And in our brand new normal, our world would not back down. So when our brand new life will come, when it will become normal, everything will become normal, at the time our world will be back again, like before. Because now we have to stay at home, we cannot go out, and every time we have to wear masks to save ourselves for our good health. So here, when the new life will come, when again this virus will go away from our country, will go away from each and every people body, at the time this brand new normal life will be back again. It will be back and we will be happy, we will enjoy. Then third stanza, for all of us are soldiers, in the battle we must fight. Together we will conquer, our world must now unite. So we were talking, every time we were talking about the soldiers. We were every time discussing about the soldiers, how they are protecting our country, how they are protecting us, fighting the battle. So same like this, together we are also becoming like a soldiers, and our country is becoming a battlefield. So together we should conquer, we should win, and our world should unite with one another. Instead of quarreling with one another, we should be strong. We should work in hand, we should unite, and we should conquer. We should win over this virus. Last line, last stanza. So onward into battle. How? Well, you might ask. Wash your hands with soap and always wear your masks. So here, so when we are going to the battle, when the soldiers used to go to the battle, they used to carry their things, gun, bomb, whatever needed for the battlefield. So here we are also like a soldiers. We are also fighting with the virus. Our country soldiers, they are fighting with the enemy soldiers, and we become a soldiers and we are fighting with this virus. This is called as coronavirus. So how well, we might ask. So what are the things we should use? We should wash our hands with soap and we should always wear masks. So this is our important things we should carry in our battlefield. What are they? To wash our hands with soap and to wear masks. We should always carry soap, mask, sanitizer. So these are the things. So as soldiers, we should follow. So this poem is written by Rowan Mandrick. Children, do you like the poem? I hope so. Because today's situation, everything is put into this poem. Everything, each and every word, whatever we are doing now, however we are facing now. So I hope you are clear with the poem. Please, student, go through it and read the poem. Okay? And do the assignment and submit it on time. Thank you.